CEOs on rockets are currently all the rage, but we all know flying to space can bring the unexpected. So, do you wonder why they're taking this risk? The answer is simple. They feel confident that there's a plan for their safe return. Like these CEOs, early astronauts had to trust their plan, though the space race was way different back then. Did you know that NASA's second crewed flight caught fire upon landing? They say that the scientists on the ground were more concerned with saving the data than saving the pilot. So why tell you this? Well, these days, when you're responsible for your customers' data, you are the de facto pilot. Your company's reputation rides on your recovery plan. So if your rocket crashes, who goes down with the ship? You or the data? We at VMware want to save you both.
Our approach to cyber resiliency combines proactive threat prevention and VMware Carbon Black with reliability and ease of use in VMware Cloud Disaster Recovery. With this solution, you can reduce the attack surface and harden your workloads, easily audit your systems to track security anomalies, and test more frequently with no disruption, so you can have a roadmap for recovery and a unified response when you need it the most.
And that roadmap is more important than ever, because ransomware is in the news daily. These attacks grew by 7 times in 2020, with ransom payments reaching $370 million. And this isn't going away. Cyber attacks are expected to cost organizations and consumers worldwide over $10 trillion by 2025. These trends show us that not anticipating the disaster means you might not survive it.
Put simply, the manual DR plan of binders and backup copies is a little like using a slide ruler rather than a computer to find your way back to Earth. You already know what the stakes are: data, money, trust, and customers lost, lawsuits gained. A good DR plan means that what might otherwise be catastrophic failure can end up being controlled chaos.
So let's build you that safety net. VMware Cloud Disaster Recovery offers on-demand DR delivered as an easy-to-use SaaS solution with cloud economics. Scale your DR environment at a pace that's right for your business with a pay-as-you-go simplified pricing model. With a unique set of features designed for ransomware recovery, including immutable cloud-based snapshot support, continuous DR health checks every 30 minutes, and non-disruptive testing, VMware Cloud DR eliminates the need for a secondary data center and can provision a clean failover site on demand. All this while tuning your SLAs to total cost of ownership and assigning each workload a customized level of protection.
It's basic economics. You don't need the additional cost of a manual DR strategy when you can downstream it for less money and better coverage. And because we know every company has unique challenges and a one-size-fits-all DR approach doesn't work, we have a dedicated professional services team that can help you implement and streamline your DRAS.
There could be lots of reasons why you haven't created or updated your DR strategy, but now is time to act. When disaster strikes, turn to VMware to keep your data safe and available when you need it the most. Because you're finally getting to pilot the rocket, but you have to decide if your landing is going to rely on a prayer or a plan. So, let's plan for a safe landing. Interested in learning more? Visit us at vmware.com/go/clouddr.